Hi, hello, good evening, my pretty, lovely and gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is very pretty parrot green with stunning dark maroon shade. All over cross checks with floral buttas. And beautiful border. Contrast with peacocks, florals and cross cutty along with the Rudrakshan blocks. Very gorgeous. And pallu. Complete diamond brocade contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border like this. You can wear like this or else you can go for such kind of customized blouse. And this is from our brand. I team up this saree with this pretty blouse, and this is from our brand Alpha Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just fingers on 733 733 700 and e saree pricing and details 27,999, code vachesi I100. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Before going to see another saree, do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another saree. Wow. It's a peach and gold tissue saree, bright and beautiful, all over diamond shaped buttas. Border peach color with dual peacocks and blocks, cross cutty. Pallu cross checks with diamonds along with the beautiful double yalis andi. We have yalis here in the border. Pallu lo borders. Blouse. It's a self blouse, running blouse. Tissue blouse with border and self buttas. Saree pricing and details. $19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AD920. It's a bridal saree andi, bit heavy ga untundi, rich ga untundi. So normal ga kuda unnayandi, reasonable lo kuda unnayi. Varalakshmi Vratham vastundi kabatti we have very pretty collection. Just watch it. Next saree. Very lightweight Kanchipattu saree, which is in navy blue and pink color combination. All over blocks with peacocks and florals, square blocks. Border floral vines here and contrast border with cross checks and diamonds. Pallu florals complete contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast with border. Saree pricing and details 6880. Take a screenshot along with the code AD126. Next saree. Wow, lovely pink color. Complete floral jal all over the body with silver zari. In the border also silver zari, cross kadi, checks low, peacocks and florals vachai. Pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas. In the blouse, self plain with border, or else you can go with a silver color blouse. Even silver tissue blouses looks amazing and great combination for this pretty baby pink sari. Sari pricing and details 20,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AF131. Very lovely, Andy. Lovely color sari. Let's see another sari. It's a pista green, Kanjivaram, with intricate lines, paisleys, florals, zigzag lines. It's a borderless sari. Overall go vachindi anamata weave. It's a blouse vachesi orange and pink mixed andi, dual toned with drop shape leaf buttas. Contrast blouse and contrast pallu. Blouse contrast, dual toned blouse. Sari pricing and details 8,320. Take a screenshot along with the code AG542. Next sari. Maroon color. Diamonds and floral sleeves. Border. Zigzag kadi border. Pallu. Cross curvy checks with floral buttas. Blouse self chinna chinna buttas vachayandi, self colored with border. Sari pricing and details 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code X766. Next sari. Beautiful blue. Half curves with diamond shaped floral buttas. Border is contrast beige color with zigzag and florals. Pallu is contrast beige with huge motifs, paisleys and diamond brocade and leaf border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very pretty. And sari pricing and details 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AC794. Next sari. It's a pink color sari, lightweight pattu sari. Self lines with beautiful elephants with elephant umbrella. Border vachesi curvy waves with paisleys and florals. Pallu complete anta diamond brocade vachindandi pallulo, self color. It's copper zari. This is copper zari. Blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details 7,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG869. Next sari. Lovely green and maroon color. Kanchipattu sari, all over round floral buttas. Border vachesi scallop design with gandaberundam buttas border, peacocks and diamond buttas. Contrast border. Contrast pallu. Madhulanta floral jal with cross kadi border along with the gandaberundam and peacock booties. Gandaberunda dual peacocks vastayandi. And the blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details It's 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AH449. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. To follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. A sari, very lovely mustard yellow, half and half. Half is completely plain and half is the border. Very biggest border with intricate stripes and lines. Pallu, cross stitch with dollar buttas and florals. Blouse self plain, or else you can go for any contrast color because it's a single color kabatti. You can wear anything on yellow, everything goes very well. And the pink bauntundi, green bauntundi, purple bauntundi, maroon kuda bauntundi. Like this also you can team up. Isn't it pretty? Snuff color. For such kind of pretty gorgeous blouses, dupattas, lehengas, contact our brand After Rupamani. Another brand from our Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 7337337000. And this beautiful sari pricing and details, it's 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AF320. Yes. So indaka nenu chuinchanu kada bottle green with dark maroon combination sari. Let's have a quick look. Next sari. It's a pista green and peach color sari all over pastelis with copper zari and beautiful pastely border downside and contrast border with kadi and peacocks, florals. Pallu contrast with leaves, complete leaves vachandi. Blouse contrast plain peach color. Sari pricing and details. 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AG854. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Pink and navy blue. Navy blue lines with the buttas, navy blue thread color. And this is the shredded border, contrast, silver zarito. And this is the wavy pallu, contrast. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AH451. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for daily deals. And next to pretty sari. Beautiful beige and pink color. Leaf buttas all over body. And border is contrast pink color with a shredded design and a painting laga vachindi, but it's completely weave. Beautiful weave work. Trees vachai, leaves vachai, huts vachai, houses. Very lovely, very beautiful. And this is the pallu, full of leaf brocade, contrast pallu with triangular border, and the blouse is contrast plain You can design that blouse or else you can go for any other customized blouse like this. And the saree pricing and details 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AG571. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ పింక్ కలర్ సారీ, వెరీ స్మూత్ అండ్ లైట్ వెయిట్. క్రాస్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి, గోల్డ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ గా. ఇట్స్ అ బార్డర్లెస్ సారీ. Pallu is contrast, very pretty purple color, rich kaddi. And blouse, super pretty blouse, contrast with paisley buttas. Saree pricing and details 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code K572. So indaka నేను చూపించాను కదా beige and pink color, peachish pink color. Let's have a quick look. Yes, now back to our collection. Next saree, beautiful green, very pretty parrot green, rose buttas all over body, and lovely border with stripes and paisleys and florals, elephants in rounds. And this is the pallu, kaddi with florals. Blouse, wow, very pretty color. Contrast, it's a magenta purplish ala undandi, purple come magenta pink color lo stripes border ochindi with buttas. Very lovely. Saree pricing and details 6399. Take a screenshot along with the code AF737. So pretty kada, beautiful undandi. వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతానికి ఇలాంటి సారీస్ ఈజీగా గ్రాప్ చేయొచ్చు, చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంది సారీ. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, అండ్ దట్ టు ఓన్లీ 6,000. అది మిస్ చేసుకోకండి ఇలాంటి సారీస్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ మరూన్ కలర్, బ్రౌన్ అండ్ మరూన్ కలర్ సారీ, రెడ్డిష్ మరూన్ కలర్. అన్ని కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. లైట్ బ్రౌన్ ఉంది, రెడ్ ఉంది, మరూన్ షేడ్ ఉంది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ వచ్చిందండి, థ్రెడ్ చెక్స్ విత్ ఇంట్రికేట్ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ కర్వ్స్ లాగా వచ్చాయి, ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ విత్ డార్క్ మరూన్ థ్రెడ్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ, పాస్లీస్, ఫ్లోరల్స్ హియర్, ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్, టెంపుల్స్ అండ్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్ ఇన్ రెడ్ కలర్. ఇది రెడ్ కలర్ లో మనకి క్రాస్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి రెడ్ కలర్, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ, క్రాస్ చెక్, జిగ్జాగ్ డిజైన్, డైమండ్స్. Too good kada. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. Saree pricing and details 12,799. Take a screenshot along with the code W510. Next saree, lovely tissue saree, beige color, beige and gold with blue combination. All over florals, cross checks with florals, and we got a nice leaf booty inside. Border contrast, zigzag and peacock border. Pallu, cross checks with diamonds, very pretty peacock border. It's a contrast pallu. contrast blouse, tissue with self weave and border. Too good. Sari pricing and details. $18,399 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AH455. This is for you, Priyanka Garu. If you like this sari, very gorgeous sari, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very beautiful combination. Sari overall look కావాలంటే మీకు చూపిస్తాను. ఆ లుక్ ఇంకొకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Beautiful mint green kanchipattu sari all over floral jal with beautiful embossed florals. Lovely cross cutty border with peacocks and elephants. Pallu, complete leaf brocade. Blouse, self blouse with border and self cross checks and diamonds. Sari pricing and details. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ సిల్వర్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ అండి. ఈ కలర్ టిష్యూ బ్లౌజ్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 20,799. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AF153. ఎస్ అండి ప్రియాంక గారు, ఐ విల్ బి షోయింగ్ దిస్ సారీ ఓవరాల్ బేజ్ అండ్ బ్లూ కలర్. Next saree, lovely pink. ఇదంతా థ్రెడ్ స్ట్రైప్స్ అండి, ఇంట్రికేట్ స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చాయి థ్రెడ్ తో, థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ పింక్ కలర్ పైన. అండ్ బార్డర్ స్కాలప్ డిజైన్ విత్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ అండ్ పీకాక్స్, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ. ఇక్కడ చెక్స్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. కార్నర్స్ లో స్వాన్స్ అండ్ పాస్లీస్, ఫ్లోరల్ బుట్టాస్ హియర్. And scallop design with elephants and peacocks downside again. And the pallu is cross cutty, rich cross cutty pallu. In the blouse, self color plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AF653. Send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree, it's a very pretty shade, sea green with a brown combination, self buttas, floral buttas, and contrast border with thread paisleys and floral border. Pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas. It's a contrast pallu again. Blouse is contrast with self weave and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 6,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AB216. Next saree. It's yellow. My favorite yellow. All over cross checks with floral buttas. Beautiful peacock, paisleys in blocks, cross cutty border with orange edge contrast. And the pallu, complete a checks with round buttas. Blouse self plain with border, or else you can go for this edge contrast blouse which is in orange color. Yellow and orange kuda bauntundi. Saree pricing and details. It's 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AA626. Next saree. Lovely pink. lines, all over zari lines. Beautiful border with intricate stripes. Pallu, half curves with floral vines. Blouse, contrast to plain. Sari pricing and details. $7,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AG566. Next sari, green and grey, all over cross checks with round buttas and blocks. It's thread weave bandi completely. Border is grey color with floral vines, peacocks, temples. Pallu, complete curvy brocade. It's a floral and diamond brocade. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 6880. Take a screenshot along with the code AD319. Next sari. A lovely purple, magenta pink. All over zari checks vachayandi with peacocks, pastels and floral buttas. Ikkada downside we got the stripes, cross kaddi and rudraksh buttas in blocks. Ikkadanta shredded laga zari lines vachayandi, dan lopala buttas again. Ikkada piano stripes laga vachayi. Pallu, complete floral brocade. Blouse, self plain, we got the middle border. Sari pricing and details. 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AH448. Next sari. Wow, bright and beautiful yellow color. Zari lines. Pastels downside and cross kaddi and diamond brocade border. Florals in checks. And this is the pallu, checks in florals and checks, beautiful peacocks, florals and temple zigzag border. Blouse, contrast peach color, plain with border, bright peach. And sari pricing and details. 7,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AH446. Next sari. Parrot green and pink, all over pastels with gold and silver zari. Beautiful intricate contrast border with beautiful stripes or shiny diamond stripes and downside pastels here. Pallu and the cross checks with floral buttas. Blouse, contrast plain with border. So beautiful, very pretty traditional combination, green and pink. And 6,880 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code X788. So lovely kada. Next sari. It's a half and half sari, navy blue. Half plain and half mottam stripes and pastels, star buttas vachai. Pallu cross checks with diamond buttas. Beautiful blouse, bottle green, plain. Sari pricing and details. 12,799 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AF716. Very pretty sari. Next beautiful sari. Very lovely and the brown color. ఇదంతా మనకి పర్పుల్ లిలాక్ షేడ్ థ్రెడ్ తో పాస్టల్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ వచ్చాయి. Border. Yeah. Yes, actually this is the original side only. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful sari. And this is the pallu. So confused. Very lovely pallu, kaddi with florals. Blouse, brown color, light brown, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code Z582. Actually, వెనక వైపు చాలా స్మూత్ గా ఉందండి. See, so pretty kada. And let's see another sari. Green with beige combination. All over thread lines. Ball buttas vachayandi. Border, beige color border with floral vines, leaves. Pallu anta kaddi with embossed round buttas vachai. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 6880. Take a screenshot along with the code AH445. Next sari. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Not only these collections, and you can watch more collections. ఎలా అంటే జస్ట్ ఒక సింపుల్ వీడియో కాల్ ద్వారా ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైం మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733733 నెంబర్కి మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలంటే దే విల్ బి షోయింగ్ యూ అండి. So from that also you can select your favorite saree and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Saree vachesi red and navy blue. All over zari lines and floral buttas, jhumka buttas. Ila. Border contrast with florals. Pallu anta leaf brocade and it's a contrast pallu. Blouse contrast with stripes, zari lines and border. Sari pricing and details. 6,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AF736. Next beautiful sari. Lovely lavender. It's a mauve, dark mauve shade and the dark mauve and lavender mixed shade. Beautiful dollar buttas all over the body. And you got intricate blocks here like this with copper and silver zari. And this is the pallu, complete cross checks with florals. Blouse self plain. You can go for any other silver color blouse or copper tissue blouse. Sari pricing and details 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AF330. Next sari. Beautiful parrot green sari with pink combination. It's a plain sari. Downside we got stems with rosebuds, flower buds. Beautiful florals. And this is the pallu, lovely shredded pallu. It's a contrast pink color pallu with leaves. Yeah. Blouse contrast plain. Sari pricing and details 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code S873. Next sari. Lovely baby pink. Floral buttas all over the body. Cross kaddi with checks, peacocks and round buttas. And this is the pallu, cross checks with florals and peacock border. Blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details 12,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AC779. Next saree. It's a dark green, lovely Kanchivaram with zari checks and elephants and florals here. Peacocks, elephants, horses. Pallu and the copper zari to vachindandi leaf brocade. Wow, beautiful blouse. It's a mustard contrast blouse with border, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 12,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AG409. Sari overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Next sari. Beautiful pink. All over floral jar. Gandaberundam peacocks border. Pallu grey color వచ్చిందండి with huge paisleys, huge motifs. Cross kaddi. Blouse, it's a contrast plain with border. It's a grey color. Sari pricing and details. 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code AH447. నేను ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా గ్రీన్ కలర్, డార్క్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్విక్ లుక్. Now back to our collection. A beautiful shade. It's a mint green with peach combination. Self butta, self thread color. Leaf buttas vachai, as well as silver zari buttas. And this is the border with horses, elephants. Contrast border. Pallu contrast with cross checks and embossed florals here. Border. Beautiful blouse. It's a contrast blouse, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 7,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AF622. So lovely and beautiful color combination. Next sari. అలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్న కలర్స్ తీసేసుకోవచ్చు ఏం చక్క వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతానికి. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, ఇట్స్ పింక్, రెడ్ అండ్ పింక్ డ్యూయల్ టోన్ లో వస్తుంది దిస్ సారీ. ఇట్స్ లైక్ రెడిష్ పింక్. క్రాస్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ విత్ రౌండ్ బుటాస్, రౌండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లవ్లీ బార్డర్, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్. ఇట్స్ పల్లు, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ పల్లు. Blouse, self plain with border. You can go for gold color blouse or bottle green blouse. Sari pricing and details. 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG411. Next sari. Lovely yellow. Wow, so beautiful. Such a stunning color. I love yellows. It's a bright yellow, bit brighter shade. All over floral buttas along with the peacock buttas. Border is cross checks with diamond buttas, florals and peacocks. Lovely border, cross checks with diamonds. Pallu. And this is the blouse, plain self with border. You can go for any contrast blouse only. You can go for this pink color blouse, peach color, pink color. As it's a single color. 13,599 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AH450. Very pretty shade. And next sari. It's a blue color tissue sari. Florals all over the body. Rich tissue sari. And this is the cross kaddi and beautiful rose border. Contrast blue color. The cross stripes and diamond stripes vachai pallu lo. It's a contrast pallu. Blouse. Contrast tissue blouse with cross checks and diamonds along with the border. Sari pricing and details. It's 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AG563. Next sari. Pink color. Wow. Beautiful roses and florals all over the body. Border rich cross kaddi, zigzag, diamonds and floral vines. Pallu. Curvy buttas, curvy wavy diamond buttas. Blouse. Self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AG551. Lovely Kanjivaram. Next sari. Green color. All over copper zari to blocks vachayandi. Peacocks vachai, blocks vachai. Florals and copper gadi soft cross kaddi pallu border. Very beautiful, very soft andi. And this is the pallu. It's a contrast with cross checks and leaf buttas along with the paisley border. Blouse. Contrast blouse. Plain with border. Outstanding on the combination. Sari pricing and details. 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AG416. So indaka nenu chuinchanu kada pink color saree. Let's have a quick look with beautiful roses. Next sari. Lovely navy blue with a sea green combination. Very pretty Kanjivaram with all over intricate round buttas along with the very pretty peacock buttas. And border contrast with cross kaddi, peacocks and checks, florals. Pallu. It's a contrast pallu with cross kaddi, florals, peacocks and blocks. Blouse is contrast plain with the beautiful border. Sari pricing and details. It's 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code R981. Send us on 733 733 7000. It's another beautiful sari. It's an orange and green color sari. Cross checks with beautiful floral buttas. Contrast border with florals, paisleys and zigzag kaddi border. Pallu, zigzag rangoli and diamond shaped stripes vachandi, different stripes, contrast pallu. And contrast blouse with self buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 31,199. Take a screenshot along with the code W782. Send us on 733-733-7000. Next beautiful saree, and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Lovely golden color saree with pink combination. All over florals and leaves. Contrast border with diamonds and florals. Peacocks. Pallu contrast with the geometric shapes, half curves with stripes, floral border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AG95. Next pretty saree. Lovely green and pink. All over floral buttas, lines with gold and silver zari, and border contrast with cross kadi and peacocks. Pallu contrast with complete of florals. Blouse contrast with self-weave as well as border. Saree pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AG552. Next saree. Brown color saree vachestundi. Beautiful blouse. Very pretty brown shade. All over pastel floral buttas. Lovely border, diamond brocade as well as beautiful peacocks and floral vines. Pallu, cross kadi and leaf stripes. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AH453. Very lovely. Wow. So divine saree. Beautiful white tissue, white silver tissue saree. Silver and red dandi. Awesome undi. Complete cross checks vachai with leaf buttas. Diamonds vachai all over the body. Contrast border with half curves with florals. Diamond brocade. Contrast border. Contrast pallu with curvy lines and leaf buttas. Blouse, contrast tissue blouse with border and self buttas. Saree pricing and details. It's 21,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG572. Next saree. It's a pista green and wine combination. All over round buttas with lovely parrots. Border contrast with floral jal. Pallu contrast with kadi and huge paisleys floral jal borders. Blouse contrast brocade blouse with border. Too good kada, very lovely. Saree pricing and details. It's 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AH452. Next saree. Lovely wine color. Cross checks with dotted buttas. Cross kadi and floral vines border. Pallu, rich cross kadi pallu. It's completely magenta wine pink. And this is the blouse. Idanto diamond brocade vachindandi. Cross checks with diamond buttas along with the border. Saree pricing and details. 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AG403. Next saree. It's a tissue saree, gold and red. Beautiful florals all over the body and border contrast with cross kadi, peacocks and florals. Zigzag kadi border. pallu, rich kaddi with embossed leaf buttas along with the beautiful drop shape buttas, border, blouse, contrast, self weave with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AC967. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. And do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Next saree. It's a mint green saree with all over cross floral vines with diamonds, cross kaddi and diamond brocade border. Pallu anta leaf buttas vachayandi. Blouse self plain with border. You can go for contrast this zari color. Or else ఇలా కూడా బాగుంటుంది కాంట్రాస్ట్ లో. Like this color also matches this. And for such kind of designer blouses, contact our brand or for Rupamani, another brand from our Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. And this saree pricing and details. Yes, here it is. Take a screenshot along with the code AG404. 21,999 అండి. ఆఫర్ ప్రైస్ కోసం జస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ సెండ్ చేయండి 733-733-7000 నెంబర్కి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా రెడ్ అండ్ గోల్డ్ టిష్యూ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Next saree. It's a brown color saree, brown and green shade. Beautiful kanchipattu saree, all over petals laga vachayandi. It's a feathery petals laga. Cross kaddi border here and stripes border here, contrast brown color. And this is the pallu, complete kaddi with embossed petals and florals. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AC590. Next beautiful saree. Wow, lovely maroon. All over ఇలా కర్వీ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయండి. కర్వీ లీవ్స్ తో కర్వ్స్ లాగా వచ్చాయి. అంత బ్లాక్స్ లాగా పికాక్స్ అండ్ రౌండ్ బుట్టాస్ ఉన్నాయి. And border cross kaddi with peacocks. And we got a edge contrast, green color edge contrast. So this is the pallu, cross kaddi and leaf stripes వచ్చాయి. Beautiful peacock border, self color pallu వచ్చిందండి మనకి. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast, self weave buttas and border. Too good కదా? Self weave buttas and border. Saree pricing and details 14,000. 399. Take a screenshot along with the code AH454. Send us on 733-733-7000. నేను ఇందాక చూపించాను కదండి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ mint green saree with cross floral vines and diamonds. Saree pricing and details వచ్చేసాయండి. సారీ కోడ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా, జస్ట్ నోట్ డౌన్. AG404 is the code, 17,599 is the price. So here ends the collection. Then back to mannequins and mannequin sarees చూసేద్దాం. లవ్లీ పింక్ కలర్, పింక్ అండ్ పీచ్, ఇట్లా డ్యూయల్ టోన్ వచ్చింది, పీచ్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్. పైన పై బార్డర్ రాలేదండి మనకు, ఓన్లీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పికాక్ బుటాస్ వచ్చాయి ఇలా అందంగా పాస్లీ షేప్ లో. అండ్ మనకి బార్డర్ అంతా సర్కిల్స్ వచ్చాయి, చిన్నవి మీడియం సైజ్ సర్కిల్స్. కాంట్రాస్ట్ పళ్ళు, నావీ బ్లూ విత్ బ్రొకేడ్, ఫ్లోరల్ బ్రొకేడ్ అండ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్. ఇలా ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్ కాకుండా యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ బ్రాండ్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ మాత్రం 13,599, విచ్ నాట్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ ఇన్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అండి. బ్లౌజ్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ కాదు సారీలో. AG397 is the code. Next saree, green with pink, complete floral jal all over the body, beautiful contrast border with peacocks, rounds, drop shape buttas, cross kaddi. Wow, beautiful. And diamond brocade pallu. Blouse is contrast, plain with border. Next selfie వచ్చిందండి బ్లౌజ్ లో డైమండ్స్, ఇక్కడంతా డైమండ్ బ్రొకేడ్ ఉంది. పళ్ళు బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చిందండి. వి గాట్ పర్పుల్ ఎడ్జ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కూడా. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 21,599. And this blouse is from our brand again, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Next saree, beautiful blue with diamonds and floral buttas, lovely cross kaddi and floral vines border. Pallu anta cross checks with curvy buttas, vachai round buttas. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 17,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG405. And or else you can team up like this beautiful blouse, which is from our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. ఎలాంటి లెహెంగాస్ కానీ, దుపట్టాస్ కానీ, బ్లౌజెస్ కానీ కస్టమైజ్ అండి. మీ దగ్గర ఏదైనా సారీ ఉంటే కూడా యూ కెన్ సెండ్ ద పిక్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ మేక్ ఎ క్వైరీ ఆన్ 733-733-7000 అనే నెంబర్కి. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచిపట్టు సారీస్, లెట్స్ హావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. ఇఫ్ యూ మిస్డ్ ఎనీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నౌ. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ అందమైన పట్టు శారీస్, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ గార్జియస్ కలెక్షన్స్. సో వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వస్తుంది కదండి, ఇంకెందుకని హరియప్ మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని వెంటనే బ్లాక్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో ఏదైతే ఉందో దిస్ వుడ్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, IGTV, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో 24 hours లో మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని ఎప్పుడైనా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఇస్తే మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు 733-733-7000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ రేపటి లైవ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ బై, టేక్ కేర్, లవ్ యూ ఆల్, స్టే ఫిట్, స్టే హెల్దీ.